So this is your reteach for 6.3D integer operation. Number 1 and number 2 is combining integers. So please be ready to watch the video and you will take a retest afterwards. Number 1, a team of 4 players competed in a golf contest. The names and scores of the players on the team are shown in the table. The team score is the sum of all the scores in the table. What is the team's scores? So you have Brett with -2, Elliot with +3, Lynn with -4, and Tyrone with -1. So we're going to go ahead and combine all those. So you have -2 for Brett. Then we have +3 for Elliot. Then we have -4 for Lynn. And then -1 for Tyrone. So what you're going to do, you're going to look for those 0 pairs, which would be a positive and a negative. You circle them. And then whatever you have left over, that will be your answer. So your answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 negatives. So my answer is -4. So that would be letter C. Number 2, Luann is playing a math game. She chooses 3 cards. The value of each of her cards is shown. First card is -12, second card is 3, and third card is -5. What is the sum of the values of Luann's 3 cards? So again, you're going to go ahead and draw a picture. So first card has -12. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Second card has 3 positive, 1, 2, and 3. And third card has 5 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you're going to do, you're going to find those 0 pairs, 1, 2, and 3 0 pairs, and whatever's left over is your answer. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 14, and they're all negative, so my answer is -14. Now, in order to go ahead and fill in the griddable, you have to go to the negative, so you shade the negative in, and then since this is a whole number, the decimal is right at the end, so that's the decimal, so I'm going to write in, I'm going to write in 4 and 1, so that's 1 and 4, so your answer is there. Now, this will read -14. You could go ahead and fill in zeros if you want everywhere else, and it will still count it correct. But if you put the 14 down here, so say, for instance, you put 1,4 here, and then the decimals all the way over here, you're saying is 1,400. So make sure you're not doing that. You make sure that you're showing your place value in the correct order. So now that you've seen number 1 and number 2, you may go and watch the video for number 3 and 4. If you don't need to watch number 3 and 4 because you didn't get those wrong, then you could go on to the retest. Good luck on your retest.